Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the advantages of using Oracle database. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantages of using Oracle Database. Oracle Database is one of the most widely used database management systems, known for its advanced features and scalability. Here are some of the advantages of using Oracle Database. Number 1, scalability and performance. Oracle can handle a massive amount of data and users simultaneously, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. It uses advanced indexing, caching, and partitioning techniques to ensure high performance. Number 2, high availability and reliability. Features like real application clusters or RAC and DataGuard ensure minimal downtime and reliable disaster recovery. Built-in redundancy and failover mechanisms maintain system availability. Number 3, advanced security features. Oracle offers robust security features like transparent data encryption, TDE, data masking, and database vault to protect sensitive information. Compliance with data privacy regulations is easier due to Oracle's comprehensive security measures. Number 4, support for advanced data management. Oracle supports structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, allowing users to manage diverse datasets. Built-in tools for analytics, data mining, and machine learning helps organizations gain deeper insights. Number 5, cross-platform compatibility. Oracle Database is available on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, Unix, providing flexibility for deployment. Number 6, cloud integration. Oracle provides seamless integration with its cloud platform, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or OCI, enabling organizations to transition to the cloud easily. Features like autonomous database allow for automated tuning, patching, and scaling in the cloud. Number 7, comprehensive backup and recovery. Oracle's RMAN, Recovery Manager, ensures efficient and reliable database backups and recovery. Flashback technology allows users to quickly undo changes and recover data without the need for complex recovery procedures. Number 8, support for distributed databases. Oracle supports distributed database systems, allowing data to be stored and processed across multiple physical locations. 9, extensive toolset. Oracle provides a rich ecosystem of tools such as SQL Developer, Enterprise Manager, and Application Express Apex for database development, administration, and monitoring. And lastly, number 10, strong community and support. Oracle has a large user community and offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and support options, including 24/7 customer service. Okay guys, so this is the advantages of using Oracle database, one of the most popular and widely used database management software in the world. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.